Good evening, all of you. Uh, welcome to the all of you. Welcome into my YouTube channel. I have delivered lecture today on the global warming. What is the global warming and how its impact on the world as well as the in our country and in our states. Now, in recent days, the 3 days is the government of Maharashtra is announced the high alert due to the global issue, the temperature increases of the temperatures. So what is the global warming? The percentage of greenhouse gases is the most causes basic cause of the increases the global warming. The in which gases in greenhouse gases, first is the CO2 carbon dioxide. The total 60 percentage of the carbon dioxides occupied in the greenhouse gases. Another second is the gas is the CH4 methane. The 20 percentage of the methane gas in greenhouse gases. Chlorofluorocarbon CFC, the total 14 percentage of the chlorofluorocarbon in greenhouse gases. N2O 5 percentage and SO2 is the 1 percentage of the greenhouse gases. uh, Emissions of the CO2, which emissions do the created of the carbon dioxide oil in the world and in our earth. First cause is the this slide shows the burning of the forest in the world. For example, the big forest as Russia, Brazil, the main causes of the burning and forest fire do the temperatures, global warming, and human weed, and another causes do the forest fire. This is the mostly originate the carbon dioxide oil. Another is the industrial pollutions. The industrial pollutions day by day in the developed and in developing country, the mostly industries the over limit the spread and occupied in the atmosphere the CO2 oil as well as the carbon dioxide gases. The thermal power plants. The thermal power plants is the basic causes of the originate the carbon dioxide oil. Uh, Another is the transport is the basic problem and originate to the mostly in the air conditions, and another is the transport airways and ground transport, the mostly carbon dioxide oil created. This is the originate. The second gas is the CH4 emissions of the CH4 methane gas. uh, for example, the how to create it and how to in the paddy cultivations. The paddy cultivation is the basic farming cultivation due to the created the mostly methane gas. Another cause is the oil leakage, oil filter industries, and excess water fields due to the mostly created in the atmosphere the methane gas. The emissions of nitrogen oxide is the other chemical fertilizers. After the green revolution in our country of India, the mostly chemical fertilizers used in farming. Now in recent days the farming cultivation is the very shortly, and the production is the increases due to the chemical fertilizers, but its impact on the quality of soil is the day by day is the due the losses the nitrogen oxide. But the use of the chemical fertilizer is the high in the farming area. The mostly is the nitrogen oxide is the gas is the originate in the atmosphere. The burning of the fossil fuels, the burning of biomass, these are